Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Jabra Elite 2 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not pairing with your Bluetooth device, or if they're not syncing or connecting to something, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to repair them because all of the pairing history will be deleted off of them, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start with these earbuds and pair them like they're just coming out of the box new, we can go ahead and do this really simply. All we need to do is put the earbuds in the case as shown here, leaving the lid open. And we're just going to come in and press and hold the left and right ear buttons, the buttons on both of the earbuds for 10 seconds. And basically we're just going to keep holding it until the LEDs on the earbuds flash pink. Once they start flashing in pink, we can let go and the reset has completed. And once the flashing stops, that means the the reset of the earbuds is complete. We can go ahead and take these out and repair them as a new set of earbuds.